Next query, it's from the viewer who's asking us about Hyundai. He's holding 44 shares at an average price of 921. Wants to understand whether he should average, hold or sell at the current levels. Kush, let me come to you on something like a Hyundai. What is your view?
Oh no, continue to hold. The stocks had a good run, but then you've seen some profit booking. I think the stock's now starting to find support. I think this is this is a hold from a medium term perspective as well, short term and medium term. Positional stop loss on this one comes in at 2150.
The view, Kush. We have the next one coming in on Oracle Financial, and Dinesh, who's also a regular viewer, is asking if it's a good time to enter the stock right now. Samir, would you concur?
No, I don't have a view that you should buy this. I'm a little negative on IT. I think valuations for Oracle are even more expensive. I think growth is not going to be as great for me. It's right now it's an avoid.
Okay, so an avoid is what we are seeing for Oracle. But next one is from Naveen. He's writing to us from Bangalore. He's holding 200 shares of Inox Wind. And he wants to understand the short-term outlook for this one. Kush, let me come to you on something like a Inox Wind. He's holding it to levels of 138, seen a little bit of correction. So what is your view, to stay put or whether to exit?
Look, the stock has actually fallen quite sharply. The rebound that you're seeing today as well is from oversold territory. So I don't see a very sustainable, meaningful rally on the upside coming up. Plus, it has multiple resistances at 125, 127 levels also from a near-term perspective. My suggestion would be to exit right now, or perhaps even on mild rebounds, you could consider an exit, but not something that you should add more or purchase into. So if you have, consider an exit partially and maybe some bit of it on a mild rise to 125.
Got the view, Coach. But we have another caller now dialing in from Chennai, and Sanjeevi has a stock query for us. Sanjeevi, very good morning and welcome to Ask Profit. What's your query?
Hi. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Sanjeevi. Go ahead.
My question was about the upcoming IPO of ICICI Prudential.
Okay.
So I just want to know if it's a stock that you can subscribe to initially, and if it's a good stock that you can go with for a mid to long-term perspective, or should you wait until after the IPO and then get into it? So what are your thoughts? What are your views?
Got Sanjeevi. Let me take a punt and go to Samir on this one. Samir, any kind of view that you have ICICI Prudential IPO? It's opening tomorrow. If not directly, what should investors watch out for?
Well, yeah, I think one can subscribe to the ICICI Pro AMC IPO. I think it's a long-term good story. Look, nothing is coming cheap, and neither is this one. But we believe that the whole mutual fund industry over the next, if I look at it from 10 years from today, will be either 3 or 4x at minimum the size, or maybe even 5x of what the AUMs are. And if SEBI doesn't tinker too much with the, there's always some news around SEBI wanting to reduce the cost structures, which are already extremely low, but they want to keep reducing it. If they don't tinker with that, I think the operating leverages play out, the profit growth will be incredible. Long-term great, near-term, look, whenever the market's correct, these stocks will go down because if mutual funds get redemption, then obviously the earnings go down. But if you have patience for 5-7 years, I think this sector overall is a great investment to me.